What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Pixel 7a on deck, guys. Now, shout out to the good folks over at Cyrill. They seen that your boy BG had the Pixel 7a, so they sent over a few cases for me to check out. So we're just gonna jump right into it. And the first case we're gonna check out is the Ultra Sheer for the Pixel 7a. Now this is your typical Cyrill packaging. As you can see, share your pictures at #Cyrill moment, and then you can tag them at Cyrill_story. And again, this is the Ultra Sheer and the kale colorway, so it's probably gonna be like a green colorway. Let's go ahead and get it out. So as you can see, we got some extra packaging going on inside the packaging. Here we have the Ultra Sheer, and as you can see, we got some paperwork, and also there's a lanyard that comes with the case, so that's pretty nice, guys. If you guys want like lanyards and things of that nature, Cyrill is putting them in the box. So basically, the Ultra Sheer is a nice transparent case, and as you can see, we got a frosted back, so not picking up a lot of fingerprints. That's a good thing. As you can see, we bolstered up in the corners, guys, bolstered up in the corners for that drop protection, and we raised up around that camera. So a nice transparent protective TPU with a frosted back for no fingerprints, and there go our holes for the lanyard right here, guys. Got a nice button press with slits, so you know that's gonna make for an easy button press, and we got that Cyrill branding. So this is what the Ultra Sheer and kale gonna look like on my Coral Pixel 7a, guys. As you can see, we raised up around the camera. Got them feet, like I said, and the nice and raised up around the camera. You want to make sure you protect that camera. Nice cutouts on the bottom. Good amount of raised lip around the edges to protect the screen. And this is how you're going to be looking like out front. Nice and bolstered up protective little case right here. This is the Ultra Sheer. This is a blue colorway for the Ultra Sheer. And this is called Deep Sea right here, guys. Just another colorway, same case. And they've got a darker colorway, almost like a black transparent colorway, and they call it Dusk. So the next case, guys, is the Ultra Color. As you can see, is the Deep Sea colorway. Same Cyrill packaging, guys. Same packaging. Let's go ahead and get it out. Same paperwork, and it comes with a lanyard. That's a very nice touch. Folks with small phones, minimal stuff, they tend to like lanyards, things of that nature. So it's very dope that you get a lanyard with the case. A lot of these cases have lanyard places that you can put lanyards, but they don't come with one. So this Deep Sea is a very nice colorway, and this case, guys, this Ultra Color case is a nice soft touch case. Definitely like a thicker version of a TPU, very solid, nice ring around the camera. As you can see, we got the matte finish that don't hold fingerprints with the gloss Cyrill branding, and gloss on the side. And the gloss on the side is actually kind of sticky, guys, so it'll give you a little grip. Nice button press with the slits on here, guys. Big cutouts on the bottom. So this is how it's going to look on your Pixel 7a, especially if you got the Coral Pixel 7a. Nice case, guys. It's protecting the cameras. Nice big cutouts on the bottom. Cyrill branding. Like I said, the gloss is actually sticky for a better grip. You could put that lanyard on there if you want. As you can see, nice easy button press. I like a nice easy button press, and we nice and raised up around the display. Very low protective cases, very budget friendly. Shout out to Cyrill for sending these cases over, guys. This is the Ultra Color, and we had the Ultra Sheer. I'll put links down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.